Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from Fortified Realty Group, and today we're back with part three of our three-family sales report ongoing series in Fall River, Mass. Check it out. So the first one today, 67 Wilbur Street, sold for $215,900. So this was bank owned, sold for about $16,000 over ask. Went off the market in June, but it didn't close till October. So I wonder if there was some kind of title issue. But regardless, heck of a deal for $216,000. Pretty decent shape. Nice buy for whoever got it. Next one, 46 Hambley. Nice house, 285 went for. Listed for 279, so 6,000 over. Nice looking place. You know, it needs a little bit of TLC, but reflected in the price. Good deal off of Globe. Next one up, 39 Chesworth. This one was listed for 340 and sold for 300. Interesting. Rents are low, so maybe that could have been part of it. But, you know, kind of typical, nice, really large three-family. So somebody got a decent deal on that. Next up, 17th Street. So this one burned out. I mean, literally sold in a day. Burned up house for $90,000. Listed for 85. That's crazy. It's a good area though. Good building. Just somebody who's a contractor will do well there. And the last one, 437 Globe. This is a 4-unit. Sold for 285. This one was on the market like a year ago, I think. So I don't know. Maybe he was marketing offline, came back on, sold in 3 days. Nice looking place. You know, good units, good area, easy to maintain. So good one for an investor. All right. So that's our multi-families for this month.